again, trying to get some fishing done. So we're at the pond where the fish like shrimp. Don't ask me anything. I have no idea why the fish love shrimp on here. The catfish rather. The catfish is over here. So we're gonna fish for some catfish and at the pond again. And hopefully we'll catch something. We'll see. We'll see. What in the world is going on over here? It sounds like something's beating on my truck. I think a woodpecker was just beating on my truck. My goodness. Some bird was, I don't know what the deal is with that. Oh man, the joys of fishing. He's doing it again, y'all. Y'all can't see him. What is he doing to my truck? You know what? I think I know what he's doing. I bet he's trying to pick bugs off the front of this truck. I ran through a bunch of bugs. I bet that's what he's doing. I bet that's what he's doing. I'm gonna stand back here and watch him for a minute. He's pecking on my mirror. Literally pecking on the mirror. I don't know why I'm so fascinated with this bird flying around. I gotta go fishing, y'all. All right, well, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let the camera run because they obviously don't like me around. So I'm gonna let the camera run. And let's see what we can catch with just the camera running. I think we can get them, y'all. I think we can catch them. Let's try it. See if we can get them. Once I leave, I think they're gonna do it, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but I think I got him. There he is. I think I got him, y'all. He was doing something, wasn't he? He was doing something. And y'all saw him before I did. Oh, Joker. I think he's trying to eat my truck or something. Oh, well, I got the footage now. I got to go back and I got to see it. I'll check it out when I get home. Man, get off my truck. Get off my truck. This is getting ridiculous, man. I'm about to move the truck. You know, the window, they pooping all down the side of the truck. That's ridiculous. This is insane. I think they're chasing their reflection in the mirror, in the glass. Yeah, this is just depressing at this point. Like, we just can't catch a fish. I'm getting nibbles, I'm getting bites, and that's it. Nothing worth writing home about. So I don't know how much longer we're gonna do it. I think the mosquitoes will come out and start feeding on us pretty soon. So I definitely don't want that. I want to cut out of here before that happens. But man, it sucks. We tried, y'all. We tried. Tried to catch the big one, but got nothing. Got nothing, y'all. Got nothing. See, I'm getting bite where you can't see it, but I'm getting nibbles. But nibbles ain't gonna cut it, y'all. We need a good fish. That's what we need. Okay. Try this again. Try this again, y'all. We'll try it again, y'all. We'll try it again. See what we can do here. Okay. That was actually a very embarrassing cast. I can't believe I actually did that. That's not gonna work. Nope. That was very embarrassing right there. We'll try that one more time. That's a little bit better. There we go. Alright, we'll let that sit out there for a little bit. We'll see what happens, y'all. We'll see what happens. It's getting dark. It's getting dark out here. Can't see us. Can't see me. Man, it's getting dark. I think the moment the first mosquito bite I get, I'm cutting it loose. I'm out of here. The first mosquito bite. I ain't got bit yet, but I know they're coming. I know they're coming. So we'll see what happens. Man, it's dark out here. My goodness. Oh, I'm scared to turn the light on. I'm scared to turn it on. There's probably a million bugs up in here. Oh, there go one. Oh. Oh. Oh, Lord, they're all over you. Oh, man. They're all over me. Oh, my goodness. What the world? Right there. You get it? You get it? Got Lord. You got one on you, too. Goodness. Oh. Over your shoulder? Oh. Yeah, one on my head. One on my seat. Oh. You get them all? Lord. Oh. Man. Oh. That's no fun. I'm here to tell you right now, that ain't no fun, buddy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. They're everywhere. I think I made that mistake last time. I come in here and I left the light on when we were loading up. I made that mistake last time. Oh, man, they're still on me. Oh. Either they're still on me or I just think they're still on me. And I'm just rubbing at this point. I think I'm just rubbing at this point. I don't see no more. You see him? One on the ceiling. Oh. Oh, man. I can't even see how to get out of here now. I gotta make sure I'm driving to the pond. I can't see. Okay, I got it. Oh, those bugs. Things ain't no joke, man. Oh. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here without hitting the fence. Preferably without hitting the fence. Man, I'm sorry. You don't have to get out without the light on, cause the light, if I turn the light on, all the bugs gonna get in here again. I think we're fine as long as the light stays off. Oh, just watch that fence over there. You got no space to get out. Oh no, the light came on. We cannot have that light on, buddy. Yeah, these bugs are brutal. That's the only thing that was biting today. Bugs, that's it. Nothing else was biting. Oh. Well, I'm so glad that we could feed something today. My goodness. Oh. Oh man. Well, anyway. You close the gate? Oh. Yeah, close the gate. Oh, he running from the bugs. He completely left the gate open. Well, yeah, that's gonna be it. We're gonna wrap it up. That's it. Ain't nothing biting today but bugs. That's it. That's no fun. So I appreciate y'all watching anyway. Maybe next time we'll catch something. Hopefully we will. Well, we'll see you on the next one. All right.